Hey there, this is Craig with Cables and Kits. I wanted to come to you with a video to give you a couple of quick tips about how to use our Surezen infrared touchless thermometer. Real quick, just when you first get it and you put your batteries in there, you're going to squeeze the trigger just for a moment, let it come on. Once it comes on, you squeeze the trigger and hold it for just a minute, and you're going to get this, and this little thing's beeping here, flashing. Click it again, and then you're going to get to where it's on the F for Fahrenheit. Let it go. And once you do, it beeps, you're good. Now, get your temperature. I'm a cool 97.1, which is within range. So there you have it. That's our Surezen infrared touchless thermometer, and that's how you use it and set it up once you get it out of the box.